Hi guys, it's Thomas here from notionvc.com. Thank you very much for thinking about purchasing or actually buying the Ultimate Template Bundle. In this short video, I want to explain what the bundle is and how it might be helpful. So, the bundle actually contains all the resources that I have built for VCs in Notion. Right now, that is 8 templates or workflows and 2 free resources, even though these numbers change as I add on to the bundle. But really, the core of the bundle is 8 paid templates, which you can get for roughly 50% off if you purchase all of them together. These templates are designed to be kind of standalone workflows that you can take out of box and use them for your purposes. And they span a lot of or a bunch of use cases that you might encounter as a small VC, solo GP, or an angel investor. So, just to give you a rough idea, the workflows covered go from things like portfolio management to, of course, deal flow management, ability to take notes, ability to run your internal investment committee meetings, or even building a simple landing page for your VC practice in Notion, uh, or being able to manage your personal network as a VC. So really, these are 8 tools that you can take and use them out of box. And if you have a little bit of Notion knowledge, of course, this helps because I see the templates as a starting point, and obviously each person and each practice in an ideal case scenario will alter them to their workflows. So it's actually quite easy to even join and merge these templates and use cases into one operating system for VC. So I think that roughly covers what's included in the bundle. And to end this video, I just wanted to ask you if you have any feedback, thoughts, ideas on how to improve this offering. Please get in touch. It's super helpful to hear from you and hear from people who actually use these tools, and I'm really grateful for each and every feedback. And if you need any help, of course, don't hesitate ever to reach out, and I'll do my best to try to help you and guide you through the templates and your individual use case. So thanks again for having a look at this product. I hope you find it useful, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.